Hello everyone, today let's solve maximum depth of binary tree. Given a binary tree, find its maximum depth. So in this case, we have to return 3. So let's see how can we solve this question. So to solve this question, we have to use recursion. Keep checking the depth of each node or children. For example, this is a root node, right? So we will ask, is children max depth, and same as this one. Okay, as the left and right, and when we encounter nil, we just return 0. And we have to choose the bigger one and plus 1. In this case, we just return 0 plus 1. So in here, we will return 1. For the right part is the same. We will ask his children, 20 will ask his children, 15 will ask his children, and return 0. So we encounter nil node. And then choose bigger one, which one is bigger, and plus 1. So in this case, we will return 1. It's the same, right, left, and right. Return 0. Return 0. Return 0 plus 1. In this case, for 20, 1 plus 1, right? Choose which one is bigger, is the same. So you just 1 plus 1. Return 2. For 3, 2 is bigger, right? So 2 plus 1. For 3, just return 2 plus 1, and that's the answer. Let's see how we implement the code, okay? So for edge cases, when we encounter nil node, we just return 0, right? And then we have to check the left max depth for the left, and then right. Oh, sorry. And then if left is bigger than right, just return left plus 1. Else we return right plus 1. That's it. And the time complexity for this algorithm is O(n) because we will walk through each node to check the max depth. And the space complexity is O(1). We don't use extra space. Okay. Let me submit. And that's it. Thank you for watching.